Well, hey there, YouTube. I've got a video for you, and I've got an amplifier that I'm gonna put up for sale here. This here is a straight 4-pill, but it's designed differently than your average straight 4-pill. Whereas your average straight 4-pill, you can usually drive 75 to 100 watts in it on the top end. This here is designed more like a low drive, but it's designed this way because it's extremely efficient. It was purposely built this way. It is fully biased for sideband, and when I'm done with this, I'll go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the inside of it. So first things, we've got the Galaxy 959 here I'm going to be using. The RF power is turned all the way down there. We're on the 5-watt scale there, so I'll show you what that does as far as a dead key, the radio. So there's a 1-watt dead key out of the radio. Go ahead and put it on the 50-watt scale. Now this radio, it's got some work done to it, and you can see where I have the mic gain set. I don't have it wide open, but I've got it about 2 o'clock right there, 2:30. And seems to make good power right there without being overmodulated, so that's where we're going to run it. So here's a 50-watt scale, and I'm just running one of these caliber coffin mics, no power mic or anything like that. So there's that same 1-watt dead key. We're on the 50-watt scale now. Hello, hello, audio, 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 hello, 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 1111111, audio, hello. Hello, 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 audio, hello, 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 audio, audio, 11111. So this is a PEP reading meter. So you can see it's doing about 40 watts. Like I say, it's got a little work done to it there, so 40 watts. We'll go ahead and turn this on now. Go ahead and put it on the 250 scale, and I'll show you what we're getting out of the amplifier as far as amplifier dead key. So that's probably right about 85 or 90 watts dead key out of this, with this being set at 1 watt. Go ahead and put it on the 1000-watt scale. Once again, folks, this is peak envelope power. There's that same about 90 watt right there. Hello, audio, 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 hello, 1111111. Hello, audio, audio, 1111111. Hello, audio, 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 hello, 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 audio. So that right there is about 800 watts, PEP. I'm sure I could drive it harder and get more out of it, but there's really no reason to do so. This thing is so efficient that it really doesn't need any more than a watt going in to make that power coming out. This would be a great amplifier for anyone with like a stock Galaxy 959. Basically any single final radio that does, like, 30, 35 watts on the top end, this would be perfect for. You can see it'll take the 40 watts. Now, like if you have a Cobra 29 or something, a great radio for this as well. You would just need to either have your dead key turned down inside the radio, so you'd have to have someone do that for you, or better yet, just have variable power installed. Either have it installed in the front or the back of the radio or something like that. But I may actually, let me see if I have another radio I might be able to, actually I do. Let me dig out a Cobra 29 real quick with variable power, okay? Stand by. Or you know what, folks? I realize that both my Cobra 29 and the 25, although the dead keys are dropped on them, they don't have external variable power. They do have variable power, but I have to take the lid off and turn a little potentiometer. Anyways, this one here is set up for about 1/2 watt dead key, and it swings up from there. So let me show you that right now. We're on the 5 watt scale. So, you know, right about 1/2 watt. And if we go to the 50 watt scale, I'll go ahead and modulate. I'm running the same microphone in it. This is radio only. Hello, 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 audio, audio, hello, 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 audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 1 2, hello, hello, hello. So we're getting right about 30 watts on the top end. This radio does have the a few mods done to it, so that's why we're seeing that much power out of it. It does have the swing mod, and like I say, the variable power, but I have to pull the lid off to get to that. So it's a good talking radio. So we'll go ahead and put this on the 250 scale now, and we'll turn the amp on, and you'll be able to see the difference in the dead key. That other radio was doing 90 watts at a 1 watt dead key. And this here, is doing 50 watt dead key at a 1/2 watt dead key. So you can see the difference, about 40 watts difference. Put it on the 1,000 watt scale just to show you what you can expect to see out of the amplifier with a radio, such as this Cobra 25. Top scale. There's that 50 watt dead key. Hello, audio, audio, hello, 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 audio, 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 hello, 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 audio, 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 hello, hello, hello. So right about 700 PEP with this setup, and I believe the other one was doing right about, I want to say it was doing around 800, I think. You guys are watching the video, you'll know. I think it was doing around 800 with the other one, so about 100 watts more. Now, I'm running this very easy. I'm not hitting it very hard or anything like that. So, but it really doesn't have to be. But let's say, here, let me get the other radio. Stand by, I want to show you this. Okay, so we're back on this one. Got to plug my mic in here, stand by. Okay, so I rolled the dead key up. Radio power only, 5 watt scale to 2 watts there. So that's going to be too high of a dead key for this. But we can use the variable now to adjust it so that we can run this. So we'll put it back on the 250 scale, and we're looking for about a 90 watt dead key, 100 watt dead key. Okay, we can open it up some more. Open it up some more. Go a little bit more. Yeah, there's about a 75. Let's go a little more. Okay, we'll call that 80. So you see where I have that set. That right there is getting me an 80 watt dead key. So now if we go to the 1,000, we should see about the same on the top end. Hello, 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 audio, 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 hello, 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 audio, audio, audio. Well, about 750. I could open it up a little more and get more out of it. But, so, if you have a radio that does, 2 or 3 watt dead key, you can always use this variable to control it. And just set this for about a 80 to 100 watt dead key, and you'll be just fine. So I just wanted to show that. Okay, stand by, and we'll go ahead and get this thing open and I'll show you the inside of it. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, for you sideband guys, here, I've got it on lower sideband, and I have this on sideband. So I just have the variable wide open. I have the RF power down on the radio. Let's see where that's going to get us. Put that on the 1000 watt scale. Hello, 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 audio, audio, hello, 111111. Let's turn the RF power up on the radio just a little bit, see if that gets us any better there. Hello, 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 audio, audio, 11111. Hello, hello, hello. Audio, 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 1111. Okay, so, you know, that's maybe a 1.5 watts dead key right there going into this on sideband, and you can see it's doing 750. So I just wanted to show that. Okay, stand by and we'll get the lid off. We'll look inside of it. Okay, guys, here's the inside of the amp here. So you guys can take a good look at that. Like I say, this guy designed things a little differently so that, in his words, it runs more efficient. I understand most of it's the same basic stuff, but some of his values and some of the components are a little different, so it runs more efficient. And as he explained it to me, you can see the sandbar resistors here. Instead of being over the top of the transformers, he put them over here purposely, so that way they put the heat here and not, they don't heat these transformers up. And also, if you look, you can see everything's, you know, built very well and very clean. Extremely clean solder work. Oh, and it does, I did have them put a remote on it, so it does have a remote. So if you want to, you know, mount it under your seat or in the back of your vehicle or something like that, hook a switch up to that, and you can remotely operate it. So you can see it has 2 power and 2 ground wires coming out. And I put a 50 amp Anderson connector on it. If you want to put something bigger on it, you can, but for me, you know, that was fine. That was getting plenty of current to it. And right now I'm only running it off of 14.2 volts at 50 amps, and it, you know, it's fine on that. So anyways, there's a look at the inside of it. It does have the HG 2879s in it. And another thing you may notice here, the diode over the top of the 2 transistors, that's for temperature tracking. So if you guys might know, you know, if you start driving an amp, start talking on it, and it starts getting hot, the power, you know, can change. The dead key on it can change, you know, because everything's based off of these components, the temperatures. So the way he explained it to me is this circuit is supposed to track the temperature and keep all the values in check. It's a good little amp. I mean, it works great. I just I don't use it, and I'm gonna use this money to build something else that I need more than this amplifier at this time. So anyways, there it is. It's got a nice high flow fan on it. It's got heat sink all the way down the bottom of it. So if anyone's interested, let me know. I mean, this is a real nice custom built amp with a lot of nice, you know, features in it. Fully biased or sideband, variable, temperature tracking. $650 plus shipping is what I'd like to get for it. $650 plus shipping. Okay, thanks guys. If you're interested, let me know. All right, y'all be good.